Please take it away.
That implies that I know what the hell I'm doing.
Definitely recording.
That's the thumbnail.
That's
right
fine. Yeah. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today, this is episode 2 of Budget Vandalism.
Oh my God, you've been working on it.
Today, we are putting in a floor in this little van. We're gonna figure out exactly how we're going to skin that cat.
I was thinking split it in half, but you're right. It does mean that you have a seam right over this gap.
Can we run the pieces this way?
Yeah.
Because I think having 2 pieces is still good. Right, smaller pieces are just going to be easier to wrangle.
We could go as far as the front of that leg, but I don't want to go any farther than the front of that leg. Because I did think about going ahead and blocking this section off, so then you had a self-contained big-ass storage thing that you could like literally fill. This is roughly marked out as to where I think it makes sense to build our pull-out drawers and the fridge.
Yeah, so we have a seam right in the center.
Yeah.
If
So
we run the seam this way.
unless we put the
So-
seam right here.
Maybe we do that.
That was my first
of waste.
question this morning.
Wait, what was?
If we should just do one full piece, or if we should center it. Come on, guys.
To be fair, I didn't understand what you were saying.
Yeah, my
That's
listening systems weren't booted up for the morning at that point. I legit don't remember.
But
what
just
saying that.
for the record, so that this can go into your YouTube video, Summer was right. We
Yeah.
were wrong.
It's
Yeah.
okay.
That's a great
Okay.
idea.
I'm
Summer.
glad it's
Great
on.
idea.
I'm glad it's recorded. I
Yes,
appreciate that. Thank you.
Capture it.
Yeah.
Those should come more than just your ass.
You can swap and you can sweep.
I get more views.
Oogie's the one that gets the real views anyway.
Some cardboard-aided design.
I spent a few hours trying to learn CAD, and then I was like, nah, I'm just going to mock this shit up.
You realize by the time you're done showing me, you could just have it done.
Yeah, no, so what you're actually doing is filing.
Cool.
We want the lip to sit on top. So that'll function as like a big washer.
Yeah, this is gonna feel really good when it kicks. Just get it to where it'll evenly fit this, and then we'll slowly work it in until it's a tight fit.
There's no secret to that, is there?
No, it's gonna suck. there's nothing nice about it.
Here, I need this. You two make design decisions.
Okay.
That was satisfying.
It's gonna be so slick, guys.
It's going to feel like a glove. Nice. Yeah, that was dumb. Yeah.
Splinter?
7 splinters on that one.
Yeah.
Let me just brush that into your face.
Yeah, thank you.
That looks pretty nice.
Cool.
Yeah, man.
It's looking good.
Oh yeah, that's gonna have no problem closing.
Oh, yeah,
There's so much
Plenty
clearance
of
there.
clearance, yeah.
Please fit, please fit, please fit.
Can we tap it in?
Campy
Give it a little
camp.
Look at that.
It almost fits.
Hot damn.
Pretty slick.
Almost looks like we know what we're doing.
That's so cool.
We'll see how well the D-rings go.
Let's do this one first.
Because it's easiest to move in and out.
No, because if we screw this up, it's a smaller panel to replace.
You're a thinker. I like it.
Okay.
Line that bad boy up.
I'm always disappointed when you don't dance while you're using a jigsaw. Yeah, look at that. That is spot on. That's gonna be such a cool way to hold this down.
So nice. All right,
let's do these ones.
Don't pinch your fingers this time.
Yeah. Holy shit, guys. Look at this floor.
It looks so good.
The question is, do I get outdoor paint and paint these? Do I seal them? Do I throw a carpet over them?
You just want something where you can throw your gear in and it not gouge your floor.
Yeah, and it's also easy to clean. It's easy to run a vacuum over.
Deck paint. Get deck
Like
paint.
deck paint or exterior paint.
Deck paint. I'm gonna paint these 2x4s and this, just so it's consistent.
And that'll knock down any like sliver chance too.
Yeah, that's true. This is gonna be so good.
Alrighty, well, we got a floor in.
Yeah, we did.
Thanks to Summer's ridiculous hard work creating the D-ring templates.
Yeah, those turned out super good.
And then cutting around these wheel wells. You guys did a good job.
So
Teamwork.
All we had to do was put in what is this? 20 square feet of flooring, and it took us 4.5 hours. And I don't know that it could have been done faster. The thing that's so nice about it is it's so precise that it holds itself in without fasteners.
Yeah.
So that's amazing.
That's nice. So we're gonna paint it.
Exterior deck paint is what we're thinking for the floor.
Yep.
And then I'll get the trim pieces for the edges.
Fasteners for the D-rings. Yeah. So he's going to do that as homework, and then when we come back, we're going to be framing in the box area for the refrigerator and cook stove and whatever.
Maybe some drawers with some 36-inch poles or sliders.
Us trying to put drawers in is going to be fun.
I know. Yeah.
I like to experiment on other people's things first.
That's fine. I will buy the wood, and you can experiment.
Good job, team, and hope you all enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time. Bye.